Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you these Wally Wave Barefoot shoes. You can see them in black and in pink, and a lot of other colors are available on the market. The Wally Wave offers a successful mix of effective and insulation and a good breathability. Its soft, flexible sole allows the feet to move in all directions, and the lightweight, breathable stretch material provides extra comfort. The clever design of the laces makes it sophisticated but still in line with traditional sneakers. The materials are in the inner thigh mesh and EVA with honeycomb holes. The sole is made of rubber materials. Composition is 92%, polyester is 8%. Spandex, oh yeah, that means it's flexible. It is flexible to make a good shape around your feet. Hand wash is possible, but if you use a washing machine, maybe 40 degrees Celsius, maybe will okay, but maybe best thing is hand wash only. We do not use bleach while we are make a hand wash with it. We avoid direct heat as this can lead to faster wear, and we lay the shoes flat or hang them to dry. High wearing comfort without the constriction feel of a traditional shoes. They conform to the foot better, allowing the foot to move and breathe more naturally, and reduce the fatigue as a result of everyday use. We have a wide toe box. The toe that means it comes to a toe freedom. The wide toe box provides enough space for the toes to move freely as they like. It eliminates pressure on the foot. It reduces pain and improves the balance. Zero paragraph vacuum healthy and are environmentally friendly. These shoes are. The Barefoot shoes are made of healthy and environmentally friendly materials, so they make a good job without pain for us. They are harmless to the human body, and at the same time, we do not pollute the environment for a good air permeability prevents the risk for our foot, infections, and so on. It reduces the growth of foot bacteria, it improves the foot health, and increases the shoe durability. And a stable stride is critical for optimal comfort and joint health. The inclusion of a padded rear collar pad in our footwear will help align our neck and spine and reduce stress on the joints. With its ergonomic design, this is a nice features, and this offers an exceptional comfort and allows us to wear our shoes all day long without any discomfort or pain because of the wide toe box. A wide toe box in the footwear allows us to move our toes freely and offers a feeling of a pure sensation and unmatched comfort, even with the long wear time. Enough space for our toes protects their natural development and prevents discomfort or problems from cramped toes. We have an individual foot shape, and the sole of the shoe is specially designed to give our toes more freedom and while they're in movement. This Custom fit improves comfort and eliminates restrictions that could cause discomfort or pain, of course. Additionally, it offers firm support when we are off the ground, this making it ideal for activities like running or hiking, where stability and maneuverability are important for. Because here comes this is a minimalistic shoe. These are shoes intended to closely approximate barefoot running or walking conditions is comparison to traditional shoes itself. Minimalistic shoes are defined as providing minimal interferences with the natural movement of our foot because of its high flexibility, low heel to toe drop, the weight and the stack height, and the absence of motion control and stability devices. Minimalistic shoes provide more sensory contact for the foot on the ground while simultaneously providing the feet with some protection from ground hazard and conditions, such as pebbles and dirt. Research shows that wearing a minimalistic shoes can help improve running economy, foot strength, and arch function. You see, that's a good thing. Although running injuries are more common during the first period after adopting minimalistic footwear, there's a lack of evidence about the long-term injuries potential of minimalistic shoes compared to the standard shoes. 2022 review found that the minimalistic shoes increase the size and the strength of the foot muscles in healthy individuals. That's a nice thing. And in 2020, systematic review found that minimalistic shoes can improve running economy and build the cross-sectional area and stiffness of Achilles tendon, but also induce greater loading of the ankle and metaprophalangeal joint compared to non-minimalistic shoes. You see, it's a good shoe for your health. It's a good shoe to wear it, and it looks cool because it looks a little bit different. These are the Wally Wave Barefoot shoes. The Wally Wave shoes offers us a successful mix of effective insulation and good breathability. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.